Hi besties, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do your gel-X nails at home, going through preparation, application and this Christmas design. It's so fun and easy to recreate, even if you're a beginner, because you don't need a nail drill for this. I promise they will last you just as long, so if you want to know how to master doing your nails at home, keep on watching. Here's everything we need to prepare our nails to become the best base for the gel-X nails. Therefore, it's very important to have strong and healthy nails to begin with. Gently file down your nails however you prefer. Just keep in mind the longer you keep them, the more product you will need later on. Now it's time to push down your cuticle. It's important to be gentle and use a cuticle gel to soften them first, so when you push them back, it happens effortlessly without causing any damage. Also, cutting anything off that sticks out without pulling or hurting yourself. Please be very careful and gentle here. Now it's time to pick and measure the gel-X nail tip, and here I'm using the medium square tips from Chiara Sky. These are very beginner friendly and they fit so perfectly without having to file them down. After you choose your nail tips, you can file down the inside for a better grip and long-lasting nails. It's totally fine if you don't have a nail drill, because you can achieve the same long-lasting nails with a tip primer. The consistency is very liquidy, so carefully brush it on until you feel it becomes tacky, and that's when you know it has the perfect grip for long-lasting nails. I promise it works just as good, and for me they last up to 5 weeks. Back to preparing my nails. First, I'm going in with a pH bond, which is a dehydrator, to really get rid of any oils left, followed up by the same tip primer I used for the nail tips. This will create the grip also for your natural nails, so you definitely don't need to file down and ruin your natural nails. Moving on to the application. I know this may look scary in the beginning, but I promise after a few tries you will master this, as long as you're patient with it and enjoy the process. Just think about how many compliments you will get and how proud you will be saying you done your own nails. First, make sure your nail tip is covered with a layer gel, then apply more on the cuticle side of the tip and slowly press down a few millimeters away from your cuticles until you see the gel going all the way up, covering your whole nail. That's when you know you can flash cure. Later on in the video I will tell you why it's so important to keep this gap between your cuticles and the gel-X nail tips. Again, here you can smooth out your tips using a nail drill or just your file. The most important thing at this stage is making sure your nails become one with the Gelix nail tips. Now going in with a base coat, I'm using this base Extend from Pink Gelac, and now you want to concentrate on the gap we have between the cuticle and the Gelix nail tip, creating a flawless and smooth base. This of course makes everything look so natural, but most importantly it prevents your nails from lifting. Now finally for the design, starting off with 2 thin coats of Lunar or Later by Kiara Sky. Here I'm gonna use white and red, both from this nail art set I got from Amazon. It's not available anymore, but I am sure you can find similar ones online. Just make sure to always check the reviews before you buy. We are almost done here, and I'm using my favorite top coat, the non-wipe from Kiara Sky. So beginner friendly cause it doesn't leave you with a sticky layer and you're done immediately after curing. For the sweater effect, you need the nail art gel. It's very important to not cure at this stage. While the gel is still wet, coat a layer of clear acrylic powder on your design and then flash cure, and that's it. It's that simple to create these super cozy sweater nails.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow.
Last step is cuticle oil to restore and nourish your nails. massaging it all in, and here we are, super fun and easy to recreate Christmas nails. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you will be recreating this set. Also, if you do, always tag me on Instagram. I absolutely love connecting with you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.